Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys haven't seen, I just had a protective style. I did some butterfly locks. They were cute. I went to Tulum and I actually went to the beach. I actually got into the beach water, okay? And I came back and my head was itching. So I took those bad boys out. I will link that video up here. I took those bad boys out and I decided to try a new shampoo that I've never used before. Y'all, my head was still itching. So I am going to be detoxing my hair. Well, I actually already did, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. So I had to detox my scalp, and if you guys have never detoxed your scalp, you certainly need to, because it's gonna help you so much with your hair growth. Because if you guys don't know, your hair grows from the scalp, okay, not the end. So yes, you do need to do trims and stuff like that for length retention, but healthy hair growth starts at your scalp, and a clean scalp is what you're looking for. Especially if you are doing a protective style, you are oiling your scalp, and oil attracts a lot of dirt to your scalp. So doing a detox after your protective styles is something that I kind of always stress to you guys. I've always told you I do maybe a clay mask or something like that, but this routine here is strictly for detoxing your scalp. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did, and this video is sponsored by Curlsmith. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. But you guys know I love me some Curlsmith, and their products basically speak for themselves. You know, it is cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free, all that. It's basically one of the cleaner brands that I do own. So the first thing that I went in with is the Curlsmith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. And I know a lot of y'all don't understand the concept of applying something before you shampoo, but with this, it has amazing slip. So like I said, if you are coming out of protective style, you already know your hair is tangly, and I do not run any type of combs or anything through dry hair, so my hair always have to be wet. But you don't want to go in strictly with a very cleansing shampoo, because that is very drying. So if you go in with something like this primer, you just apply this to the scalp, and it creates a barrier between your scalp and also the cleanser, because the cleanser that we're going to be using is detoxifying. It is going to be clarifying, and it's just nice to have something under that, especially if you're coming from a protective style and you want to kind of get a lot of that dead shed hair out before you move to the next step anyway. So I like to go in with this, spray some water on my hair, or drench my hair in water, and then go in with this. I love that it has this nozzle. I just go in with this at the scalp and then just kind of massage that in. And also, when you're massaging that in, you are basically activating that growth already, because it's the heat from your fingertips as well. So I go in with this first, and I make sure that my hair is in sections, you guys. I always do anything when I am focusing on my scalp. You want to do that in sections. You don't just want to slather it on your head and be like this. No, you're not actually getting to your scalp. So what you want to do, make sure, I do 4 sections. You can do more if you like. And I just really get in there and just massage that scalp. This product has fermented rice water. So if you guys have been following me for a long time, y'all know I love me some rice water. Rice water is so good for hair growth. So this is so good to just start off your wash day. And you want to only do this routine once a month, you guys, because this is a 3-step routine. And they do have a bundle deal for the holidays, and I'm going to put all the information for that in the description bar for you guys, so you can just buy these 3 products that I'm talking about today. I start off with this, which is think of it like a rice water rinse, but like a detangling slip, bomb slip, all that. That's what you get in this bottle. So this is a very, very great prep for your hair. And with this routine, we are trying to balance the pH. So I'll go ahead and add that to the scalp, and then we'll go in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. This is a clarifying shampoo. This is one of my favorites. I've talked about clarifying shampoos before. This is the step 2, so you do not want to rinse this out before you go in with this. You want to keep this on your scalp and then go in with this. So basically, this is the combo for your washing, for your detox, and just to get all of the bacteria and everything out of your hair and your scalp. And then you are ready for your conditioner, you guys. So the Postbiotic Conditioner, if you are a mint lover, if you love how it feels when your scalp, it just has that nice tingling sensation when you can smell the mint, you are going to love this conditioner. That's what I have on my hair right now. That's actually all I have on my hair right now. I rinsed out my detox and my shampoo and stuff like that. Y'all, this conditioner is so good. Now it has some active probiotics in here. It has hyaluronic acid in here, peppermint oil, lavender, tea tree leaves, thyme. Like, it has really good ingredients. Like I said, all of their products are cruelty-free, organic, vegan, and all that. So it's like, this is a brand you cannot, like, there's nothing bad you can say about this brand because it works so well. My scalp feels so clean. When I came home, y'all, and I used that other shampoo, like, I was just, you guys know I am an influencer, so I get so many products sent to me. So when I come out of a protective style, sometimes I'm just like, oh, I'm just gonna try out this product. And I tried out a product and I was like, what we're gonna do is go back to my babies, okay? Because these are really good. So if you are looking to do any type of detox, I would honestly say this package right here is my favorite detox system. Honestly, besides Aztec Clay, I don't see any other brand that has anything compared to this. Like, this really detoxed the scalp. I can feel it working. And my scalp feels so good, y'all. I am ready for wash day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have no idea. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. Comment below what you think my hairstyle, my next hairstyle should be. Like, I'm going to let this sit in and just, like, let my scalp breathe, possibly for the whole day. But I do want to do a hairstyle tomorrow, but I don't know what I want to do. So let me know, y'all. Let me know in the comments below what hairstyle you think I should do next, because your girl is itching to do something different. I don't know. It's the holidays. What shall I do? But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I loved filming it for you guys because this right here is something I feel like is missing in the natural hair community. It's just really talking about scalp hair. And you guys know, I tell y'all, if I don't tell y'all nothing else, I'm going to let y'all know you need to clean your hair. That is the base of everything. That is how your hair is going to grow. It's the cleansing process. You have to be more intentional about what you are using to cleanse your hair. Make sure it's actually clarifying. I know you don't want to strip the oils in your hair, and this line does not do that. That's why you put the primer on first, and then you go in with their super detox cleanser so that you aren't stripping your hair of the natural oils, but you are cleansing your scalp the way that it needs to be cleansed. So that is my little trio for you guys. And like I said, I am going to have a link to the package below. It all comes in a bundle. They have a bundle deal for the holidays, so I'm going to have that below for you guys to check out if you want to see more educational videos from me about hair growth and scalp care and length retention and all of that. I want to do like a series, I think, about that. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see a video like that. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.